Hello. I welcome you to ifactner.com video tutorials, and today we are going to discuss how to walk on water. Please remember that this is the part 3 of 3-part series of how to walk on water. And in part 1 we have already discussed how Criss was able to walk on water. And in part 2 we discussed how Dynamo was able to walk on water in River Thames. And we have concluded that they both used some kind of solid that was hidden under the surface of the water, and a naked eye could not detect that solid, and it was also hidden from the camera angles. So thing that comes to our mind is that can we create a water, or can we make a water in such a way that whenever we need it is converted into a solid form? That is, the surface of the water is converted into the solid form. Is that possible? The answer is yes. And the answer comes in the form of non-Newtonian fluids. So non-Newtonian fluids are those fluids which under special circumstances act as solid, and under other circumstances they act as liquid. So how can we make a non-Newtonian fluid? And I would like to tell you that creating a non-Newtonian fluid is super simple. All you need is water and cornstarch. Yeah, you heard me right. It's the cornstarch. You can mix for every 100 liters of water, you will be needing 60 kg of cornstarch. So if you have a pool, let's suppose with 1000 liters of water, then you would be needing 600 kg of cornstarch. Just you have to mix them, and what you will have is called oblak, that is the Newtonian fluid, which under certain circumstances acts as solid. And what are those circumstances? Is that when something impacts on them, on this liquid, then all the corn particles, they come to the point of impact for a shorter period of time, and they just gather there and they act as a solid, and after some time they just go to their original places. So if you would like to walk on water, then you have to do on this liquid, then you have to do it very quickly. So you have to either jump on it or run on it. So you would be able to do that because when your feet hits the liquid, the corn particles, they just gather at one place for a shorter period of time, and you feel that it's a solid thing, and you would be able to cross that swimming pool. But if you would walk slowly on it, then there are many chances that you will drown. So be careful, and this is how you can walk on water, or should I say on oblak, which is about 60 to 70% of water and 40% of cornstarch. So we have concluded that it's impossible to walk on water. Either you have to put some solid under water, or you have to convert the state of water into solid, and then you would be able to walk on it. So friends, you can scale down this experiment. You just take 100 ml of water plus 60 grams of cornstarch put them, mix them, and now try to punch that liquid with your fingers. You will feel that it is acting like a solid. But when you just slowly put your fingers inside, you will feel that it acts as the liquid, and your fingers would be drowned in the water. So friends, thank you very much for joining me for this tutorial. The experiments are written down in a blog on ifactner.com. Please visit my website, and there are other experiments which you can do with it. So happy walking on water. Take care. Bye bye.